Stop scrolling. Right now, people are building faceless AI channels, and some are hitting 10K per month without showing their face or touching a camera. If you ignore this in 2026, you'll regret it next year. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start, automate, and scale your channel step by step. Why faceless AI channels explode? AI video tools are insane in 2026. Shorts dominate attention spans. Monetization in USA is easier than ever. Many niches are still untapped. Fact: most people still think YouTube needs a camera. It doesn't. You only need AI, scripts, and consistency. Picking the perfect niche. Focus on AI video tools tutorials, make money online/side hustles, finance explainers, tech/trending apps, motivational AI voice. Criteria: high search volume, high CPM USA, evergreen content. Avoid copyrighted clips, trend-only content, random topics. Step-by-step AI workflow. Step 1. Script. AI generates 30 to 60-second high-retention script. Step 2. Voice. Use AI voice generator, human-like, clear, engaging. Step 3. Visuals. Create cinematic AI visuals matching each script line. Step 4. Editing. Auto subtitles plus fast pacing retain viewers. Step 5. Upload strategy. 5 to 6 shorts per week, 1 to 2 long, deep guides. Consistency beats perfection. Monetization strategy. Shorts equals fast growth. Long videos equals watch time plus ad revenue. Affiliate AI tools equals extra income. Digital products equals scale revenue. Goal: layered income, not just AdSense. Scaling automation. Hire AI scriptwriter, hire editor, focus only on strategy. Result: channel runs like a business, not a hobby. 2026 is the year of AI automation. Some people are building 10K per month channels, others are ignoring it. Which side will you be on?